Hello everyone, welcome to Yellowgreys. In this video, I am going to talk about right function.
This function displays a specified number of characters from the right hand side of a piece of text. Let's understand with the help of example. I will take employee ID as an example. In this example, employee ID contains name of the company like ABC and the year of joining like 2021 and followed by their respective serial number. In this example, the last 2 digits represents the employee serial number. If I want to know only the specified employee serial number, I can use right function. In this example, the number of characters required is to get the result, we have to type equal to right, open the bracket, select the cell reference of the text, comma, select the cell reference of the number of characters, close the bracket and press enter. If we drag the cell, we get the same result. We can try the result with different number of characters like 3, 5, 6, 1. Let's try the right function without using the cell reference of the number of characters. Equal to right, open the bracket, select the cell reference of the text. If I want to know the last 4-digit number, I'll type 4, close the bracket and press enter. See, the result is last 4-digit number of the employee ID. Let's try right function along with some other text functions. That is, in this example, I have the list of author names which contains first name and last name. Suppose if I want only the last name, I can use the following function. That is equal to right, open the bracket, select the cell reference of the text, comma, then type length function, open the bracket, select the cell reference of the text, close the bracket, minus, type find function, open the bracket, type space within a double inverted comma, select the cell reference of the text, close the bracket. In this function, at first, the find function locates the position of the space between the first and last name. Then, the length of the last name is calculated by subtracting the position of the space from the overall length of the full name. Then finally, the right function provides the last name. Let's see how it works. By pressing enter, we can find the last name as a result. Let's check whether we are getting the same result for the entire list. Here, we are getting the same result for the entire list of names. To separate the first name and last name, instead of using the right function and left function, let's try with some other method. Select the list of names, then select data, then text to columns, then select the delimited, then next, then select the delimiter as space, then click next, then click finish. We will get first name in one column and last name in other column. I hope you understand this function. Thank you.